Mommy, someone put foil in the microwave. I saw sparks and fire, and I turned it off.
You saw the sparks and fire, you totally did it.
No, I didn't. It was her. I've been doing my homework since we've been home.
It still could have been you. We have no evidence otherwise.
She's a foil bandit. Then why is the ladder in front of the microwave? You put it there.
Sweetie, it sounds to me that you got the ladder to heroically save us from a house fire that someone caused.
That's what's happened. And so her needs to go to jail for vandalism.